When it comes to settling a score, this match symbolizes a unique form of conflict resolution. To be victorious, you need to put your opponent in the ambulance and close the doors.
There are so many layers of danger. Hazards are everywhere.
We are in line to witness a hellacious beating. Shot to the midsection connects. Looking for the ripcord. Into the lariat. And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
Oh no, now that he has the kendo stick, I definitely do not want to be in his path of destruction. Whoa, turn that kendo stick into a lawn dart.
Oh, look at the hammer lock. And there's more. Nasty sidewalk slam. Oh my, what a splash.
Hey, we're all getting free tickets to the gun show.
Kick to the back.
Letting his opponent know he can take on the world right now.
You know, being in an ambulance match, it's hard not to be seeing red as soon as you see that ambulance at the top of the ramp.
Now, it certainly makes it hard to focus, but the competitor who can stay honed in on their opponent will have the best chances to win.
He's lost some of his wind now.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
Tearing down the leg now. He's running into some problems here, guys.
In this situation, he has to get resourceful. Into a flapjack. Impressive.
Now trampling the opposition. Oh, running elbow drop on target.
And what need is there to go looking under the apron like this?
Oh, weapon in hand saying, I'm up in the ante. Oh my God.
Oh my! We are witnessing a malicious string of attacks right now.
So many dangerous attacks, one after the other, making it difficult to regain any composure.
Taking a look inside the ambulance, now has to think of a way to get their opponent into it.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
A defensive elbow to the gut ends that.
Gotta find a way to get out of this.
And the knee. Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Oh no, getting dragged to the edge of the ambulance. Doing their best just to shut that first door.
Forcing their way out of the ambulance. No, this is gonna hurt. Dominator.
Great strength being shown here. Oh, into the back of the ambulance. This could be over. Trying to at least slam one door shut.
Halfway to victory. First door shut. Needs one more.
Pushing with every fiber of their being to slam the door.
I can't believe they're going to... How did they escape? That's incredible.
What resolve.
Run out of ringside and back to the mat. And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
Hellacious power slam.
The end is looming now.
These are dire straits for him. He needs to be extra cautious now.
What are they going to do here? Oh, look at the power. Look at the strength. Revolution's into the spinning powerbomb.
He might have just bought himself the time he needs to carry his opponent into that ambulance.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. Trying to make his way atop the ambulance. A dangerous position to be in.
He's gotten on top of this ambulance. What now? Where's he going? I can't imagine what he's thinking about. My goodness, he's up there. This can only get worse.
Really flirting with disaster up there on the roof of the ambulance. One false move could lead to catastrophe. Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination. You got to be kidding me. Soon enough, they're going to go through the ambulance.
And the exclamation point. This is as reckless as it gets. Ascending an ambulance, fighting up in the air, this is crazy.
Oh, and a knee. And another.
Just endless knee strikes. Come on, get down from there.
They won't listen to you, Saxton. Nothing but permanent damage is on their mind.
Setting up for something here.
This is what I was afraid of.
Someone get another ambulance.
Head first into the ambulance, appears to be completely defenseless right now. Oh, he is having his way in this one now.
That's what he does. Keep on the attack.
Desperately trying to close the first of two doors.
Yeah, can they get it done? Halfway there.
And they actually escape from the ambulance.
This battle rolls on.
And he gets set back into the ring. Closing the ambulance doors, perhaps as a precaution.
Suicide dive to the outside.
Cole does it better. He's got him in the crosshairs. Hoisted up.
Feast your eyes. That's it. That's got to do it.
The engine's running and the ambulance is ready to go.
Oh my God. Surfboard leg breaker.
And now he's just being pushed around.
He's going to have to dig out of this in a hurry.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Swinging those ambulance doors open. Could have one thing in mind. Fishing for something beneath the ring.
Oh, he knew exactly what he was looking for when he started digging under the apron. No one just finds a sledgehammer.
Just one right after the other. Can't be stopped.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
He's reaching under the ring for anything useful.
Leaving nothing to chance here with a baseball bat in hand.
Jeez, it's like they're beating a dead horse. Any one of these attacks could cause irreparable damage, but I don't think you can come back from this many. There is nothing but malintent behind each of these attacks. After all we've seen, these men are still not finished.
There's a fire burning inside these competitors that won't allow them to quit.
And you never want to count a competitor out, but there seems to be no signs of defense right now.
Oh, no, not with the block.
Home run.
Saw it coming and got out of there.
Oh, got all of that one. That's how you destroy an opponent. Boom!
Oh, what a knee strike.
Trying to find his bearings, but it looks like his end is near.
Gets him with the counter. Tough position to be caught in here.
Reversal! What a counter!
Oh! This place is going insane!
The ground beneath my...
This is a hell of a struggle. Just trying to close one door. Halfway home now.
Inches away from ending this one.
They're about to win this ambulance match.
And they're not ready to let this end just yet.
Still more fight to be had.
Ambulance is open for business. Are we close to hearing the sirens?
Look at the struggle just to shut that first door.
Oh, what a powerhouse collision here. There's no way this is happening. They escaped.
Miraculous.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring. He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one. Oh, just a straight deadlift of power into a dominator.
His eyes are fixated. He's looking to end this. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's a long way up. And a longer way down.
Last ride. He has to put him in the back of the ambulance now. This is the perfect time.
Being taken apart and might be getting a look of their ultimate fate right now. Boom.
Doing their best just to shut that first door.
Now he just needs to get that second door closed.
Hey, they can slam this door shut. It's over. I can't believe it's so close.
Almost there. Almost there. And they actually escaped from the ambulance.
This battle rolls on.
Oh my gosh. Terminating knee smash.
No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
That shovel's going to cause extreme amounts of damage.
Oh, bashing the grounded opponent with that shovel. Absolutely savage. Back suplex into a powerbomb. My goodness. Look at this. Just stop after stop after stop. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Danger here now. You don't want to be near the ambulance looking like this.
Everyone watching this is on pins and needles. What a match.
A battle for the ages. You can't help but get in.
DDT, crucial reverse.
Scaling the side of the ambulance, but why? Up on top of the ambulance. What's he gonna do now?
He's headed to the roof of the ambulance. He doesn't have a lot of room up there. I can't emphasize enough how ill... Kick to the gut. Lifted way up. Round and around, and down we go.
That might have just been the deciding factor in this match.
Nothing's decided until someone ends up in the back of that ambulance and those doors shut.
What a throw. I knew this This match could end up anywhere, but I was not expecting them to end up on top of an ambulance.
Planning up. Oh my goodness, no!
No. You gotta be kidding me! To risk destroying yourself to destroy your opponent is deranged. But it might be what's needed to get them into the ambulance.
And now he's taken control.
No need to maintain that aggression. Look at the struggle just to shut that first door.
Oh, what a...
Just has to make sure to get the other door locked.
Oh, trying to close this second door and win the match.
Inches away from victory.
And boom, the door's shut and there's the winner.
What a grueling battle.
Here is your winner, Hurricane. I'm almost grateful that an ambulance is already here after that match.
Putting all of your power, all of your disdain for your